And follower, hope you are doing well. Recently, Cuban government has announced one MBBS scholarship for the Pakistani student, which is fully funded. So in this video, I am gonna tell you how you can apply for this scholarship, what are the basic eligibility criteria. So each and everything will be covered in this video. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe it so that you do not miss any further update regarding a scholarship. So here you can see the official, it is announced officially by the Higher Education Commission of Pakistan. What are the basic eligibility criteria? At least 70% or above marks in FSC or A level, 60% or above marks in SSC metric level. All Pakistani AJK nationals are eligible. Age between 18 to 22. Final selection will be based on the open merit. Funding details. Government of Cuban will bond following expenses like tuition fee, hostel accommodation, stipend. Other expenses like round trip air tickets, buying for halal food, medical insurance, and visa fee shall be borne by the student or guardian. Important note here is discussed that Cuban government will fund for this scholarship. No additional financial responsibility will be only part of Higher Education Commission of Pakistan in any case. And you can apply for this scholarship through the HSC online portal. The deadline for this scholarship is 24th July 2020. Now we will move to the shortlisting case. In case of shortlisted, when you are shortlisted for the scholarship, so these documents will be required by the HSC via your email address along with your application form. Note, above mentioned documents are required for the shortlisted applicants via email, mean you do not need to send any hard copies to HSC. In case of provisional selection, when you are completely selected, so these documents will be converted into Spanish language, plus will be attested by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. You can see these documents are required for this scholarship. You can read the disclaimer. So let's move to the how you can apply for this scholarship. So you have to click on the HSC online portal. The link is given in the description box. So after clicking on the online application, so HSC online portal will be shown in front of you. If you are a new user to this platform, so first you have to click on the register. So here you have to choose your nationality, CNSC number, your region. Let me scroll it down. Your password, primary or mobile number, email address, each and everything. Then you have to click on the submit. After registering, then you have again go to back this sign-in page. Here you have to put your CNSC number. Here you have to enter your password. Then click on the sign-in. So in the left side on the dashboard, you have to click on the scholarship and grants. Here you have to click on the learning opportunity award. So here it will show you the application form. You have to click on the application form. So here you have to write the scholarship name, one Cuban undergraduate medical scholarship. You have to click on the program applying. Here you have to put undergraduate. Discipline, here medical sciences. Here you have to click on the medicine. Let me show you. So here you can see medicine is MBBS. So here you have to click on the yes. Here your documents are required. If they are complete, so you have to click on the yes. After that you have to click on the next section. So friends, here you have to write the foreign country. It's Cuba. Department is medical science, and then you have to write your phone number. You have to click on the university website. Here the foreign university or institute name is not given by HSC, so here you have to write nil. Let me write it nil. Here fax number is not compulsory. Here university ranking it's required, but we do not know the university name, so we cannot write the ranking. So here you have to just write a number so that you can fill the application. So here you have to write your statement of purpose. Let me write something to complete this application. So after that, when you want to add something more, then you can save and close. After that, next time you can open it. If you want to continue, then you have to click on the next section. So in this session, you have to click on these if you have any issues. Please check if you have any distinction in your academic career. If you have, so you have to click. So you have to click each and everything if you have any issue regarding this. Otherwise, you have to leave this section and you have to click on the next section. So friend, this is the final stage. Here you have to click on the undertaking. After that, you have to upload the document. Here you have to upload your copy of CNSC, higher secondary school certificate. Higher secondary school certificate mean intermediate copy. Here you have to submit your degree. Here you have to submit your transcript. Here you, in the third section, you have to submit your SSC copy degree. Here the transcript, and here you have to submit here you have to upload your copy of domicile. Then you have to click on the submit. Here friends, I did not uploaded my documents, plus I did not upload my assignment purpose, so that's why it's not going forward. So when you complete all the process, so it will be automatically submitted. So friends, this was my video on the scholarship. If you like it, so please do not forget to subscribe and comment and share. So if you have still any inquiries, so you can contact me to my WhatsApp number, my email address, or you can share your inquiries in the comment box. Thank you.